For poverty, unemployment, crime and other yamayama activities to reduce for Nigeria, private sector get ogbonge role to play to empower people, especially the youths. Now this one can make the prince builders and estate developers when be ogak patakpata for land matter, can organize seminar to empower and can still give Edo people ogbonge informate for the plenty opportunities where they for real estate for Nigeria. The seminar went shell on Saturday for Benin City can expose how people, especially youths, fit make money from ogbonge opportunities when they inside real estate. Omorige Cyril, when be managing director, the Prince Builders and Estate Developers, can talk say this seminar not to show Edo people say real estate fit give you legit source of income. It can still give them information about how to invest, where to invest, when to invest, and how to gather capital.
We have the intention to teach you today when to invest, how to invest, where to invest, and also how to gather capital. Because you don't want to invest, if you don't have money, you're not going to invest your hand. So you need money to do the investment that you want to do. Now, when to invest, first of all, that's the number one. There is never a better time to invest than now. Now is the time to invest. You don't wait to buy land, but instead you buy land and wait. No by a time, first of every month, we blow the trumpet, we tell them to announce, we call for the masses, we help the less privileged, the widow, we give them, we share bag of rice. But we find out that it's the same people that are coming to collect this bag of rice that are still coming every month. And when I said, why are we doing this? Why don't we teach these people how to fish, other than we giving them fish? We have been giving bag of rice, we are not helping them. So it's okay, fine, let us impart knowledge on them. Let them start doing this that we are doing. So other than we giving you bag of rice, we want to teach you how to buy your own bag of rice and even do more. And I thank God that the faces I'm seeing here are new faces, men, landlords, big men that have their own various occupation. They are doing well in their field, while some want capital to also assist their field. Let me tell you something. If you're an engineer here or you're a doctor here, the difference between you and that man that don't know about real estate is this. Just imagine we have some elders here that as they are growing up, they bought all this land and they kept it to themselves. As one thing about real estate is this. As you are growing up, the land keep on appreciating. So that's why if you are young here, you should be happy that you still have more long opportunity that you should make use of it. Because if you don't, at the end of the day, you are going to start complaining.
Participants for this seminar can get opportunity to ask questions when concern matter when they don't understand for real estate. Youth Advancement Initiative, when took eye for youth matter, Konsama Omorige Cyril, National Outstanding Leadership Award, sake of him achievement and constantly describe him as a ogbonge role model to youths for Nigeria.
I want to commend you for having one of the best teams for success, because every teamwork is always a win-win. Sir, your unrelenting contributions towards youth developmental projects and passion for upcoming generation was also considered as criteria for this honor bestowed on you today. On behalf of millions of Nigerian youth across board, I say a thunderous congratulations to you all. I've been directed to induct Mr. Cyril Omorige to Yai Hall of Fame. And on this note, I present this to you, sir. Congratulations.
I want to say a very big thank you to Youth Advancement Initiative. I will forever support any good thing.
Omorige Cyril when be the MD, the Prince Builders and Estate Developers, Konya and TMC Tori people say the company believes say better to teach people how to fish than to give them fish.
Today we can educate the masses about how to invest, where to invest, and when to invest, and also how to raise this capital. This money when you want to invest, how you want to raise them. Now we can educate the people. Before now, we dey share bag of rice first of every month to the masses, and we dey give the less privileged and the widow. We can find out say every month now the same people now they come for this bag of rice, and we can find out say instead of us to they give them bag of rice. Make we teach them how they go to make their money to take buy their bag of rice. Instead of us to they give them fish, make we teach them how to fish. Now make them call us, okay, fine, make we call this gathering. Different personnel is there. We get some doctors, we get some lawyers, we get some bankers, we even get some engineers. All of them come for this lecture. It made me understand, say, what will they do for these people of Nigeria? They value around. And you see the award when they still bring for us. The award when they bring on, it make them understand, say, for the past 15 years, what will they do? The people of Edo State and Nigeria at large, they see them. And I want to appreciate all these person when we say they come for this opportunity when they get. Because this lecture, it might not really continue continuously as free. So they will do it free for them. And I appreciate that they take the advantage of this free lecture when we do. I so much appreciate the effort of everybody when they come this meeting today. They don't learn a lot. On Monday, they will come back again. We go carry them around all the estates. So I want you to tell the masses out there. You won't be saying you just did. They're not the procrastinate. Come and buy. The best time to buy is now. Don't wait to buy land, but instead you buy land and wait. Now, not also forget, say the Prince Builders, will they give some commissions when you bring clients to us? I understand, say you ain't there. I want to say thank you for that. You take the direct people, they can't give us, but they can't buy from us. But do you know you can make money out of you directing people? How you take one? We don't teach this people today, and I want to teach you where they there. Bring person come. Tell us now you bring that person. You are entitled to 20,000 naira for each plot of land with that person buy. You are entitled to 2.5% if that person buy land from us. For Lagos, you're entitled to 5%. For Abuja, you're entitled to 5%. So not forget, say you won't be agent or you won't there. Say you want to work with us, say you not fit. No, bring person, you go get commissions, and by so doing, you go figure that money when you take do the real estate. Then you come buy land today. People don't buy land from us when they sell for 350,000 today. Those land they go for 5 million naira, and the day that they sell their own now. How would they do it now? We go see evidence sell, they come pay us commission. So you see, I say real estate now the biggest and the richest investment for the whole world, not be for only Edo State or for Nigeria. Take advantage of all of this where the Prince Builders don't can give you. If now for Benin, Lagos or Abuja, our office address for Benin now Comfort Plaza A488 off Adesuwa GRA. For Abuja na number 10 Durban Street, we say to Abuja. For Lagos now 047 048 Ikota Shopping Complex of VGC Aja Lagos.
Participants for this empowerment come talk say them don't get ogbonge informate for real estate matter when go help them for a long time.
I hear about this training, and being as a man that have a lot of youth when they raise up, I hear about the training when the Prince Builder advertise. So I say make I come, make I see what they do there. I see say there is a lot of benefit in it. I learn about how somebody can invest, how you go to make money, how you go invest them, then how you go to multiply your money.
I'm here to support my brother, Prince Builder. He has been doing well for more than 10 years now. So I'm here to partner to also work with him, and we have been working together before. Today is a training summit for real estate, a masterclass. It was an awesome business masterclass today on real estate, and the thing, it be like saying na sugar dey my belly.
Learn a lot of things about real estate, this land matter and every other thing. So I encourage make other people, especially young women like me, make them join, make them come invest in this real estate.
We came in here, we come meet our guy, they talk to us, about real estate. He actually went through it gradually, telling us when to be involved, where, and how. So all these things we are breaking down to us, and we benefited a lot from it.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.